Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Sunday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys go check them out. Link will be down below where you get one of these at a low cost. And now with Black Friday deals, definitely might want to add this to your wish list. Buy one for yourself or a Christmas gift and let Santa Claus know that this is the one you need. And let's take a look inside. So here we go. What do we got here? Ooh, this is coming from VIVIBRIGHT. So thank you guys at VIVIBRIGHT for sending me this. And this is definitely exciting stuff right here. Here we go. It's like a Christmas gift. It's already wrapped up. Get that out of there. Here we go. And now if you guys want to see the full review on this thing, it'll be on the Amazon Live. I have the links down below where you could just come on in. I'll be doing that live. So, new adventures are ahead. Here we go. Let's see what this is. Looks like a projector. Alrighty. Just in time. We got a lot of good things going on tonight. We got Survivor Series, so I'll definitely be checking that out. We got football, Sunday Night Football, and I always watch Disney Plus on this. Play some games, PS or Xbox, your choice, or even Nintendo Switch. You can hook up to it. Your IMAX, tablets. There we go. Let's see what we have here. Oh boy. Portable projector. WHD 1280 by 720. Nice. Basic pixels. F10 series. Alright. Here's all the good stuff on the side. Digital native is 1920 by 1080p. Original max 120. Image. Stereo is 5W by 1. Remote is distance of 100 or 10 mil. Contrast 100K. Color. Cinema. Multimedia. Got a long list. HDMI. Oh boy. Definitely excited to show you guys this one. So here we go. How do I open it? There we go. Got cables in here. Oh wow. Look at this. So there she is out of the box. There's that. Nice packaging job. Take a look at this. We got AC adapter power cord, remote control, HDMI cord, usually. We'll get this all set up and rocking. Here's the main thing. And they got a good sized screen to watch it on. But with these, you don't really need a screen. Also, you could just use a nice white wall. Ooh, nice gunmetal black. VIVIBRIGHT. Got a cover right there. Speakers, I believe, are those. Here's the back. You got 2 USB ports, HDMI, DC, headphone jack. That's for the IR sensor. I think the size of the speakers. Here we go. We got the numeric. Up, down, left, right. Yeah, this is lightweight too. Nice compact size. Take this on the road for outdoor adventures. In case you're camping overnight. Beam this off your tent or trailer. You'll be rocking. There's the bottom. Oh, yep. See, right here's a stand. Flip that right there. Kind of Kind of like that. See how it's there? Really nice. Alright, now let's get into the goodie bag. Right here. Open this up. So thank you guys at VIVIBRIGHT for sending me this. Got the power cord. Kind of like the old school PS ones. Got warranty cards and manuals. Don't need a manual. Got the nice remote right here. And we got the battery or the power source right here. Open that up. Take this out. Here we go. Here's what she looks like. And then you plug this in to this part right here. See where the prongs are? It's connected right there. But I'm gonna set this up on a projector and show you guys. At least I could probably run a PS4 game on it and at least see that how it looks. But like movies and stuff like that, I'll be going on Amazon Live, and I'll leave the links down below for that. So hold on a second. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is. I finally got it set up. I just gotta adjust my where I'm gonna put this projector and everything. So this is what it looks like with the light on. I have that little light right there. But like I said, once I fully adjust it, this will be a really good projector. Try and do it the best I can right now. There you go. So I'm going to have it probably right around there and adjust a few settings. Let me turn off the light too. Oh wow, look at this. Zooming in a little bit. So probably right there I'm going to have it positioned. That looks really clear. But I am going on Amazon Live to do a full movie review and everything else on it. So hop on over there. I'll have the link down below. Uh-oh. That sounded really nice too. They got nice sound to it. So yeah, I'm going to have to make a few adjustments where I'm going to position my projector, but you can definitely use the wall. I don't know if you guys can see, but the wall is like that, and that looks really good also. Right, maybe we'll see a little bit, but right now it's still a little bit daylight. But without a projector, with a projector. Once I get it situated. Just as good on a white wall. I don't have no special paint on that wall, just normal paint. And projector. So definitely take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping, and they'll definitely ship this out to you in no time. Like I said, get one for yourself, a family member, friend, and they really are affordable. So definitely check them out. VIVIBRIGHT, Amazon Prime. You guys be safe, have a good weekend, and see you soon.